Coaching for Conservation started as a means to address the need for a value shift in personal core values that we believe is the only way to secure a future for Africa's children and wildlife together. Coaching for Conservation uses sport as its mechanism because sport is so powerful. Sport is transformative. It has the power to change. It unifies and is universally appealing. Most of all, it's fun. Building on 10 years of development and success, we are excited to be launching our first project outside of Botswana. This project is to deliver a curriculum in South Africa in collaboration with Investec Rhino Lifeline. The aim is to make kids and the world more aware of the current global crisis that is facing the rhino.
Hi, my name is Richard. I'm a soccer coach. It's my first year with C4C. It's been a fabulous experience. The kids are full of energy. They learn, they're engaged. It's a fantastic thing.
By first learning about the animal and then learning from the animal, we've been able to create a stronger relationship with animals, hence opening the door to children to care about them just a little bit more.
We love C4C! Yay!
Hi, my name is Lucas. I'm from Germany. I've been teaching the afternoon program, the C4C afternoon program, with Stitch here together for 1 year. I've seen it work. The kids have a lot of fun and they really change their attitude. It's awesome.
Can't just be told to care. They need to feel it. They need to own it. They need to value it themselves. They need to tell other people. And they need to take it on as their own personal mission and their own personal, long-term, compassionate drive to make other people involved in the world and the caring. That's what we're doing out here. We are inspiring a generation of kids who care about themselves, about each other, and about the world around them.
I love coaching for conservation. It is the best.